This has to be the craziest keyboard that I've ever seen in my entire life. This is a like mechanical, whatever you want to call it, those typewriter keyboards. Like it's literally built like a typewriter and it even has like this lever right here. This actually changes the different color modes. You can put an iPad here and like, use it as an actual keyboard or a computer, basically traveling with it. Or obviously you can use it wirelessly for your computer. It's just I know the detail in this thing is actually really nice. Like I can tell just by like the wood grain here, all the different keys, the sound of it too. The thing just looks and feels so crazy. Even nice enough to give you a little pad so you can rest your wrist on there. I just love this little retro theme here, so I'm definitely going to use this thing. I'm going to try it out. I absolutely love it. If you guys want one, I will link it in that bottom left corner.